I attended traditional school, both public and private, and had the privilege of being homeschooled as a child. So I can contrast the pace at which I was expected to perform in the school system with the more natural pace that my mom cultivated for us at home. I think I was always kind of a sensitive kid. Well, it's hard to describe. I didn't thrive in a classroom. For me, real lasting learning happens only when I have interest. That insatiable spark, desire. I would actually say that of all the life lessons growing up being homeschooled, that was the most lasting and life-changing one.
I get lost in my imagination. All moments reawaken, consciously captivated when you're on my mind. Every wall is
I guess they're considered the first sign of spring.
rearranging this world that we're creating in my imagination.
Just because someone else is doing something doesn't mean it's for you. I'm really grateful that I was homeschooled, and now that I'm homeschooling my own kids, I think it allows me to not ever be worried or make it too complicated.
I know I'm calling past your bedtime. I hope you don't mind me waking you up at night to find out if you might like to meet me outside your patio. I've been hoping maybe you might open up and tell me alright. Let's go see what living is like. Do ya wanna go
Something up there. Something right there, Mom.
Do ya wanna go way out beyond? Do ya?
American Robin. You put leaves and flowers?
Mom, I pick leaves and flowers to make this sound good.
Meaning the morning definitely.
Go walk out past the town line, beyond the last light and over this mountainside, way out off the grid line. Now's a good time to try it. I've been hoping maybe we might find a little place that we like, out beyond the patio lights. Do ya wanna go way out beyond? Do ya wanna go way out beyond? Do ya? Do ya? Do ya? Wanna go way out beyond? Do you wanna go way out beyond? Wanna go way out beyond? Beyond, beyond. Wanna go way out beyond?
Play-Doh go awesome.
How's your Play-Doh looking? Oh yeah.
Hey. I hope birdseed.
For the birds?
Yeah.
You think they're gonna come in there?
Pizza, and he said yes, he's coming today. I can't wait to get a little square.
So it's like 3 or so inches. There's a line at the top. There's a line at, like on top, or is it on the bottom? Good, now you know. And that says an eighth. Right here. So here, come over here. It'll be easier to see. So you see I'm holding it right now. So it looks pretty straight.
So it's like the
I'll show you the little ones. Are really
Yeah, and that doesn't make any sense. Right, so it's gonna go into that. It's gotta be that way.
Okay, that's good. Lost baby sweetie.
Hot time.
Oh. Look at its eyes. So blue. Look at the big hawk. Hi, Jake. Yeah.
Your Amazon orders today?
mama in there.
My sandwich. Okay. And I'm gonna do some apples. And this one. Which one would you like?
I think I'd like the one with.
Okay, that's the bottom one. This one is
Thank you. That's really good.
You got the crunchiness of the bell pepper, sweetness of the apple, tanginess of the sourdough, and the freshness of the cucumber really comes together nicely. Bread's a little stale.
Graham crackers.
oh.
Just light little taps. Oh, look at that. You did it!
Wow, Jenny.
Just had a little nap time on our couch. Snacks and naps. But something exciting's going on out here. Everywhere.
That is an American Robin, Mom.
You're ready to do okay? I do some laundry. You want to come? They're our homemade granola bars.
We make.
They're what we make.
Exactly.
We've had a full day.
Your pancakes.